Today, by popular demand, we're doing a macaroni and cheese recipe. Mac and cheese. So the first thing we're going to do for this is boil some water. It says here we need 6 cups of water. So I'm going to use my handy dandy measuring cup. I'm going to measure out 6 cups of water and get it boiling. Tell how much preparation goes into this. Let's see, this is only going to hold 4 cups, so I'll have to fill it and put an additional 2 in. Four cups. Two more. Okay. Now here's the secret. Put a little bit of oil and salt into the water that the pasta cooks in. Not a lot of salt, just a little bit. The salt will keep it from boiling over, and the oil will keep the noodles from sticking together. True story. And now we make fire. And now, for my next trick, I'm going to pour a 1/4 cup of milk into my measuring cup. Very, very carefully. Oh, look at me go, I'm doing it. Okay, just 1/4 cup. And to melt that butter, you guessed it, we're going in a microwave. Let's give her 30 seconds, see what happens. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix the cheese sauce, the milk, and the butter all in the measuring cup. And we're going to wait until the pasta's done. Right now, the water is just coming up to a boil, or trying to. Keep the lid on there, it'll trap the heat and boil faster. And when we're done, we're going to have macaroni and cheese pancakes. Now we've got a nice rich boil on our water. We're going to add our macaroni and cheese. See, right after I add this, I'm going to stir it. Keep it from sticking together and make a big ass clump. Nobody likes clumpy mac and cheese. Nobody. Now we've got a nice rich boil on our water. We're going to add our macaroni and cheese. See, right after I add this, I'm going to stir it. Keep it from sticking together and make a big ass clump. Nobody likes clumpy mac and cheese. Nobody. Okay, it's been 7 minutes and my noodles have boiled. So I'm returning them to the pan from the strainer. I'm going to put my buttermilk and cheese sauce mix in. And stir. Stir and stir and stir. Till it all turns orange. Yay. Now I got my mixing bowl out. What I'm going to do is pour my mac and cheese into the mixing bowl. Have to use a spatula on that. Do that in a sec. Take 1 cup of all-purpose enriched and bleached white flour. Right in. Toss that in there. Then I'm going to crack about, 4 eggs in there. I also have a little bit of ham to slice up into little cubes. And give it a little more flavor. Okay, there's the mixture. There's the pan with a little bit of oil in it. I got my spoodle. Don't ask me what size it is, I don't know. Now the pan and the oil are nice and hot, I'm going to get them up nice and close so they don't spill everywhere. And for consistency's sake, I'm going to use the spoodle. I'm just going to put them down. Spatula. Oh, I suppose it helps if I put it back on the fire, huh? Now I'm just gonna let it fry. I'm not sure about this, but hey, we'll see how it works. Macaroni and cheese pancakes. And this is what the finished product looks like. Grab that. And now I'm just going to do that to the rest of this.